Hi guys, welcome to Home Cooking by On. It's almost Chinese New Year and today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Chinese New Year food. That is a spring roll. There will be three parts of this cooking. So first one is to do the filling and I'll show you the wrapping and lastly how to cook them. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to get some ingredients. So we need some pork mince, carrot, cabbage, and glass noodle. We also need some salt, sugar, pepper, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. The last thing you need is the spring roll pastry, which you can find it in most Asian grocery stores. But this one I bought it from Woolies. So let's get cooking. We add a little bit of oil. Then we're gonna cook the pork mince first. When the pork mince almost cooked, we're gonna add all the ingredients: salt, sugar, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and pepper. Now it's time to add all the veggies and glass noodles. Now our filling is done. So next we're gonna do the wrapping. Now I'm gonna show you how to wrap the spring roll. Firstly, you need to put your pastry like a diamond shape. And then you put 1 tablespoon of the filling in. And you roll up until about halfway through and then fold on the left and fold on the right. And then you seal the edges of with the water, a bit of water, and then you roll up until the end of the pastry. I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, so the same diamond shape, 1 tablespoon in. Then roll up about half way through and then fold on the left and then fold on the right and then seal with water, then roll until the end of the pastry. This is kind of fun. Just keep practicing and you will get the hang of it. So the wrapping has finished. Now we are ready to do the cooking. I'm using the deep frying machine to cook this spring roll, but you can use any cooking pot with the oil, and the way to check that your oil is hot is to use the chopstick, and if it's bubbly, so you can put the spring roll in. So I'm using 107 degrees Celsius, but if you use normal cooking pot, you use medium heat and wait until the temperature is ready. And you cook it until it's nice and gold and crunchy on the outside. So this should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Now they are nice and golden. We're gonna take it out and put on the paper towel to soak a little bit of oil. Can you hear that crunchy sound? Nice, isn't it? There you have it. The golden and crunchy Chinese spring roll. You can also dip in the sweet chili sauce as well. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And I'll show you some more good recipes next time. Bye for now.